Hello guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So from this video onwards, we are going to start a new framework that is Spring. And for this particular video, I have picked Spring Framework 5 version and JDK 14. And the editor we are going to use it's 2022 R3 version of Eclipse. And on left hand of my screen, these are some topics overview. Of course, they will be discussed in more detail. But for now, this is just a overview what we are going to cover in this Spring core topics. These are all the Spring core topics. Later we'll see Spring MVC and Spring Boot. But for now, we have to first of all get some understanding how Spring Framework works, then how to create web applications of Spring using Spring MVC or through Spring MVC, and then later we will use Spring Boot for other stuff like creating REST APIs, or again if I want we can create web applications as well on Spring Boot. So for now these are Spring core topics. Like we have to understand first of all the basics, like what is IOC container, what is Spring container, what are the configuration type, then dependency injection, in short we call this DI, then how to maintain or handle collections, then what is auto wiring through XML through annotations, then we'll see bean scopes, we will create some properties file, then we will try to interact with them. Of course, everything will be from the scratch, hands-on coding will be done in this class. Then state type annotations or packages, then auto wiring, and definitely JDBC, because Spring framework is quite vast and it provides lots of modules. So that it's for this video. In next video, we will see some more detail about Spring framework and other stuffs. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.